DoorDash account deactivation can be a frustrating experience for drivers, but understanding the process is the first step toward getting back on the road. Account deactivation means your access to the DoorDash driver platform has been temporarily or permanently suspended. This prevents you from accepting orders and earning income through the platform. There are 5 main reasons why DoorDash accounts get deactivated. The most common is having a completion rate below 80%, which accounts for 60% of all deactivations. The good news is that DoorDash has recently streamlined its reactivation process. They've introduced an enhanced appeals system with clearer timelines, typically taking 5 to 10 business days for review. To start the reactivation process, you need to access either the DoorDash driver app or web portal. Navigate to the Account Status section where you can submit a detailed appeal with supporting documentation. Understanding these fundamentals puts you in the best position to successfully navigate the reactivation process and get back to earning with DoorDash. There are 3 primary methods to reactivate your DoorDash account, each tailored to the specific reason for deactivation. For identity verification issues, you need to provide specific documents to reset your verification status. This includes a government-issued photo ID, social security verification, and if you're a driver, vehicle registration and proof of insurance. If your deactivation is due to background check issues, you need to contact Checker directly. Checker is DoorDash's background check provider. You can dispute inaccurate information and provide court documents for any resolved legal issues. To maximize your chances of successful reactivation, follow these best practices. Maintain detailed records of all your deliveries, customer interactions, and app notifications. When submitting your appeal, be specific about addressing each issue, maintain a professional tone, and respond promptly to all requests for information. Remember, the key to successful reactivation is choosing the right method for your specific situation and providing thorough, professional documentation to support your case.